Alright guys, we're here with James, picking up his car, getting ready to head back to Canada with it. We're going to give a quick overview of the car and go for a little test drive. Right now we're just going to show you, James, we've got the active exhaust in the car. You can hear how quiet it is. The mufflers are closed right now. I'm going to open them and then I'm going to throw it into drag mode as well. So just kind of hang out right there. Now the valves are open and we're in ghost cam mode, so that's drag mode. So it's got a pretty sweet sound when you go into drag mode, doesn't it?
Incredible.
Yeah. So we go for a drive?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go. All right, cool. So did we go over any of the features with the MoTech with you at all yet? Like, have you read the manual or anything?
No.
Okay, so just real quick before we start driving then. So you've got your basic power mode. So we're in drag mode now, so we'll switch back to normal. So ghost cam mode goes away. Then we got sport mode. Weather mode is just kind of like a safety mode. Just if you're in the rain, it's going to limit the throttle position on you, so you can't like spin the car out. And then you got track mode, and then of course you go to drag mode. And this is going to force the muffler valves open, and it'll go into ghost cam like it's doing right now. So traction control strategy changes with each mode as well as power, boost by gear. The throttle blade aggressiveness changes with every mode. If you decide you want to have more or less traction control, you can do that yourself by pressing and holding the cruise reset cancel button. Okay. And then the tack moves up and down. See, I'm just scrolling through the traction control maps.
Wow. So one is
the most amount of traction control, and then as you go up, it's going to allow, it's basically like how much tire slip it's going to allow. Like on 1, you're allowed the least amount of tire slip. As you go up to all the way to 9, it's basically like it's off. You can also completely disable the traction control with your factory switch still. Okay. So that's kind of the cool thing about a MoTech. All that stuff still works like factory. Like Corbin was saying, your start button still works. All the factory modes and the dash work, your gauges all work, just like it's a stock car came from the factory this way. So that's super cool MoTech features. And I like the 350 is a pretty awesome car, and it handles really well from the factory, but I've always thought they were underrated in power.
Yeah, it was definitely the gutless stock.
Yeah.
Wow, sounds good.
Oh yeah, it sounds real good. Now also being in drag mode, it's going to be in the stiff suspension mode as well. So you notice we're driving on this kind of bumpy country road right now, so it's beating us up pretty good, but you can switch right back into normal mode and it'll smooth out a little bit more. Just gives you a little bit more of a cushy ride, Wow. All that stuff still works too.
It's nice and quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you can actually have a conversation in the car, We've done a few supercharged cars too, and they're just so loud.
Yeah.
Everything's just so loud. Long tube headers and supercharger, and you're going to be screaming at each other driving down the road.
Yeah. The turbos kind of keep it under control, right?
Yeah, the DAC is in essence like a muffler. It's like a muffler, so it not only gives you a cool sound, it also kind of tames the loudness of the car down. We've done a few cars with straight through exhausts that are still pretty rowdy though, so
yeah,
we can still get that loud sound if that's what you want.
And these Voodoos take the boost well?
Yeah, they do. They love it. The heads flow really, really well. The factory cams work really, really well. I mean, we've used stock cams and stock cylinder head, no porting whatsoever, all the way up to 1,500 horsepower. So
wow.
So let's roll the windows up just a little bit here so it doesn't get too windy on us. So this has so let's see, we'll go back into drag mode. So this is the most powerful mode, and also the mode that has the least amount of traction control. So like in first gear, it'll spin pretty good.
Holy, that's a bit different.
Yeah, right? Pretty decent in first gear. A lot of that has to do with it being on stock tires still, but you could tell, the car didn't kick sideways on us or anything. It still went, and then as soon as we grabbed second, the car was just, just going.
That is so much faster.
Yeah, it's a lot better, isn't it?
Oh, that's incredible.
Yeah, it's
did not feel like that a couple months ago.
Right. so docile and easy to you drive around, and it's just a complete street car. You know, it's just a complete package this way. And the traction control with the MoTech is just kind of a game changer, really. You actually use your power. You know?
Yeah, which is key, right?
Yeah. And then we get to pull up to the stoplight and ghost cam mode and show off a bit.
I love it.
Whole car gets a little bit of a shake to it, you know.
I love it. I was searching on the internet.
Yeah.
And I was looking for just power adders, right? And I found the usual tune and all this and that. Then I stumbled across your guys' website and watched a couple of your videos, and I was just like, yeah, these are the guys.
Yeah, right.
Because I wanted nice work done. I wanted it to be able to still be dailied.
Right.
The welds you guys do just look ridiculous, all that kind of jazz.
Oh, yeah,
you know?
Yeah, Jeremy knows what he's doing with the weld stuff for sure.
Yeah. And then talking to you guys, the emails we had, just everything felt good, you know?
Oh, good. I'm glad it worked out.
It's almost like the way it should have been. If you know what I mean.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, no, it's got a really good smooth power.
Yeah, and the engine still revs nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Oh yeah, you can feel it come on.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It sounds good too.
Yeah, it feels real good.
Wow. This thing's no joke now. I can get into a lot of trouble with this.
Oh yeah, you can definitely get in trouble with it for sure.
ask for anything more.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Well done. What a beast.
Yeah, I'm sad to see it go.
I'm happy to have it back.
I bet you are.
Incredible. Is the line lock, launch control all still?
Yep, everything works just as normal, yep.
Amazing. And so this Motech, so it's controlling all the sensors, everything, right?
Yeah, everything's under the control of the Motech. Some of the sensors are still body control module stuff, which we don't have to worry about doing anything with. But yeah, as far as all the factory functions and features of the car, all used through the Motech.
That's absolutely incredible. I love this ghost cam mode.
Yeah, it's great.
This is my first big twin turbo car.
Is it? Good. Well, I think you're going to enjoy it a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Drop off here.
I love that whistle.
Oh, yeah, for sure. You can actually turn right here.
Yep. Yeah, the whistle's incredible. It's still nice and smooth and everything when you want it to be.
Oh, yeah.
It's like the perfect package.
Yeah, for sure.
say. Amazing.
Just glad you're happy.
Oh, too happy.
You just put it right. You can put it right there.
Right here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Man. Now we just need summer to come and I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
Absolutely incredible.